That's what you...
Oh, Yardbird. Yardbird, you gotta warn me when you're gonna do something like that. No doubt about it. Yardbird, sounding good. 122, bumping it back.
How you doing? Doing a fine deal down here yourself, man. Just thought I'd kid down, say hello to you. Been quite some time since I put the broken smoke on you. Hey, 122, keep up the good work. You got it laid down around Tennessee, baby. Right, Brad, to put his hammer.
Yeah, appreciate you letting me know. Yardbird, appreciate you letting me know that this old setup is doing a little bit of talking up that way. But boy, I tell you, when you spiked it down, you absolutely caught me off guard. You had the big old hammer rolling through. Yardbird, sounding good. Hope you and yours a safe and a happy holiday coming on up. Yardbird, bring it on back to the corner.
And them cheerleaders, and I'm putting them all down right along in right back, 122, big old holiday wave back to you as well, man. Haven't been real active in here, but I did hear you today. Thought I'd key it down. 122, I'm going to get out of the middle of the road. You got it laid down around Tennessee. 122, Yardbird, thought I'd let you know. Enjoy your weekend, 122. Yardbird down here around the hills, pulling it back. I'll see you.
Hey, well, I'm glad you spiked it down, Yardbird. I'm glad you spiked it down and rolled on through, and you were right. It's been a month of Sundays since I've had you my receive up here in Maine. Absolutely has been. Hey, Yardbird, we'll do it again. Hopefully a whole lot sooner than this last time, no doubt. But hey, it's been a while. Yardbird, always a pleasure. 122 out of the road. Bye-bye.
It's all you. Right along. Right back. 122. Thought I'd key one more time. Let you know I got it all. Man, you got it laid down around the hills. Good evening, good afternoon time to you. 122. Enjoy your weekend. I'll see you. Bye. Oh, Sheriff, working this real Alabama steel. Slow cruising. Get down. But you need to sign a warrant on 2 guns. Hey, 707, I'm gonna run a big 43 miles. 1084 to the ship. Hey, you're not gonna be my tail. Let's stick down right about now. Y'all running neck and neck. Hey, 148, you said what's going on? Hey, I just put it in here to say what's up, man. What's going on up your way? Big Papa, you said where did I come from? Hey, Big Papa, you flying goose. Hey, Sheriff on my now. Tell the boys to get behind me. All I'm working is up like a small watch and a small antenna. I'm getting the job doing 707 on Dirty Bear, goddamn. Making too much noise or blue. Hey, 148, you on by yourself. Hey, Big Papa, but right about now, you're looking like the showstopper. But I'll still pay. Hey, 148, you said you want to know if 2 guns just talking on my radio. You want to know what was really around the war. You said, I said, Big Papa, I have my radio, but you want to see one thing was checking about it. Boy, you did. You forgot about your snatch. Hey, 148, Rooster-Tn, Tennessee, looking at you, break. Sheriff is rocking them all.
Well, if you're looking at 148, Rooster, hey, Rooster, if you're looking at 148, you're looking up here into your NEC, absolutely are. Hey, Rooster, 122 Maine, hey, we're waving.
Right, it don't mean a thing. Hey, 148, you hit me real hard, though, partner. Hey, some modifications. Big Papa's Rooster want them all put on him.
trying to roll over there into 10. Wave a hand to that old rooster. Hey, Rooster, 122 main waving.
Hey, Two Guns, he's still on the mall. Hey, 148. You know what? And I don't think he was no exception, because that go around, Two Guns in the garden, he come in there firing both them pistols. And I don't think they was water pistols neither. He said he had a 55-gallon drum of ass whoop, and that's what he was filling them pistols up with. He said that they had ass whoop. I got a 55-gallon drum worth of it. Just in case he ran off. Hey, Two Guns in the garden at 148. Rooster-Tn is right back.
Well, 5-0. 5-0. I think you said Virginia absolutely just rolled on through. 5-0. You just rolled on through. Absolutely did. 122. 122. State of Maine. Trying to let you know.
I had pistol, one pistol, and I had that fucking mean Big Papa roll up. I had you on pistol grip rolling the radio, they go around. I don't know where 148 and Two Guns went. Them duck fuckers must be getting a glass of water or something. Rooster in Tennessee, duck fucking MVP of Tennessee is right back.
Well, 5-0. 5-0. It's absolutely rough and tough up here in the corner. Got some big old hammers rolling on through. So 5-0. We're going to absolutely put the old 4-1 holiday wave down that way. 5-0 Virginia. 122 State of Maine waving. And get back out of the road. Bye-bye-bye.
Hey, Two Guns, leave that boy on the mall. Hey, Two Guns, leave that boy on the mall. Coming up on the Dirty Bird. Hey, Two Guns, Dirty Bird in the backwoods. Give them all a head start. I had Big Papa in there. I had pistol grip was in there. I had 148 in there, and you gave every one of them duck fucking way on him. Hey, Two Guns, undisputed, undefeated heavyweight champ. That's what you said. You said you give them all a head start. Boy, you sure did. Hey, Two Guns, I wish somebody would give me a head start. MVP of Tennessee's right back. Break, break. 122, still here. You in my radio in Tennessee, dropping the ball, treetop tall, wall to wall. Hey, 122, 357 Tennessee, walking on through.
Here we go, wave right at you, 357. You'll receive up here. Got real busy real quick, I gotta tell you. But I appreciate you letting me know we still got some kind of conditions. Appreciate you letting me know we still got some kind of conditions over there in 10, 357, 122. We're waving.
I'm calling it like I hear it. I'm right back. All right, 122, we're going to sit back here and listen in again while the whole band's kind of tore up from the floor up. 122, 357 around these smoky Tennessee hills, easing back.
Got it all, cause you said it all. 357 in those smoky hills. You have yourself a good day. Absolutely good hearing you again. We absolutely will do it again when we can. 35710, 122 main back out. Bye-bye.
Two Guns, I'll put it back on you later, man. Have a good day. I need to get over here and get some work done myself, but I couldn't pass up on this money picture. Hey, Two Guns, Rooster will see you. Bye-bye-bye. DXN, we got to break through that DXN. They got so many games on there. I heard you calling Dirty Bird. I didn't get a 28, man. There's a lot of big brothers out there. I didn't get a 28, but them boys holding hands up there around New York and New Jersey and got these boys in Tennessee locking and loading with these kind of niggas. But we ain't doing no politicking, man. We ain't doing said Two Guns wasn't going to key no more because he wasn't going to let him key. And his Guns come in there and cut 148's radio slap off. He said radio cut off, radio cut off, radio cut off. 148 got off the key. 148 keyed back up, and he said no, 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 no. Come in there and mix it up with Two Guns pretty good. Almost took him out of my radio. Hey, 148, you almost took him out of my radio, but I can hear both of y'all. No. Calling it like I hear it. Rooster in Tennessee with the referee shirt. I'm right back.
Hey, 22. Hey, 22. I got a real good copy on your end, Georgia. 22. Dirty Barrels.
Done been there and gone. 148 crush. Hey, 148, you was all by yourself that go around. All by yourself with nobody else, no background singers. I don't know if anybody keyed with you or what, but you was all by yourself. Hey, 148, I call it like I hear it. Crush, crush, crush. I'm right back. 88.
122, 122, 122, just walking on through, gonna wave that old Rooster. Hey Rooster, 122 up here on the coast. Rooster, 122 up here on the coast of Maine waving.
Hello, Red, right back. Hey, 148, all the way I call it straight up, Doug Parker. Hey, 148, if we play the game, I'm gonna play it the right way. Hey, 148, you got to stick down now, man. You got a whole heap of bunch of duck pluckers way in there behind you. They all up in there behind you. They trying to ride with you, but they can't do nothing with you, man. Hey, 148, boy, you got to stick down in Tennessee. Let me ease up out here and get on the side, man. I think Two Guns done took him a break or something, man, so I'm going to ease up here and take a break myself. Let somebody else get some air time. Hey, 148, I'm a generous man. I'll see you. Bye-bye.
I'm gonna check my sag.
There's something wrong with his ears. 122 over here. There's something wrong with his ears from Southern Tennessee.
Oh, it's rough. It's rough and tough up here, 357, I gotta tell ya. Absolutely is. But hey, we're trying to get in where we can fit in. Waiting for our turn to burn over there in 10, no doubt. But hey, 357, if we're making it into your receive, hey, we're just about there, no doubt. 122, letting you know.
Bye, MVP. He rolled up on you a little bit, but yeah, you mixed it up on him pretty good today. Yeah, I think a duck plucker edging you out just a little bit that last key, but I could hear what both of y'all was saying. But he come in there just a little bit stronger. But both of y'all duck pluckers 10-8 down here on me. But let me give me a break. I'll get back in here and do a little bit more refereeing. I got to get me some water and get a few things done. But I'll get back with you. Now we get back on 148. And 122, it ain't nothing about you. You're just about here. You're all the way in my radio. You got my radio all the way over in the barbecue sauce. It's stuck over there. Hey, 122, keep up the good work. Way behind you. Put it on your later, 148. I'll see you.
Glad, Ranger, we heard you out there, man.
Yeah, we heard you roll on through. 357, we heard you roll on through. Absolutely did. We appreciate you letting me know that we are still rolling into 10. 122, waving the northeast corner.
DB, a pistol.
Hello, 122, 122.
I can't believe that Rooster can't hear you though. Wow, because I mean, you got the biggest smile over here. I don't know, 150 miles from me. He's east of me. A 122, conditions change. Two Guns, you see.
Yeah, I don't have any conditions. I got Rooster in my receive, you know, but I don't have any conditions into his. So I don't know, just like you said, it's all Mother Nature. Sometimes she's pretty fickle, and tonight might be one of them, no doubt about it. But hey, 357, going to slide back out for a few. We're going to do a little uploading up here before I get too many in front of me, no doubt about it. Hey, 357 over there in 10. Always good hearing you, and we'll do it again. 122 back out, going 10-7 for a few. Bye-bye-bye.
Good day. I gotta go.
Yes, that's for sure. Into Tennessee, 357 Tennessee. I'm doing the second lane. I'm taking calls for the cause.
357, Roger. Click, click.
Black Ranger, I heard you 2843. 43, I heard you